Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this November the 16th, 2025. I'm hoping everybody had a great Sunday out there so far. Everybody has a great Sunday evening. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well and also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be taking a look at the lower 48 and the tropics. And the tropics are pretty well done with. We ain't got just less than 2 weeks away when hurricane season ends. It'll be 2 weeks from today. November the 30th is the last day for hurricane season. So we can round out the hurricane season with no hurricane hit the U.S. Only one tropical storm hit the U.S. and that was Chantal earlier this year. And we had major hurricane Melissa that hit Jamaica, Cuba, and the portions of the Bahamas earlier this month. Other than that, pretty much quiet weather conditions across much of the eastern and lower Gulf Coast states during that period. But as you can see on the satellite loop here, you can see that there's an upper level low spinning up here over portions of New Brunswick and also Newfoundland. And as it heads towards St. John's, another cold frontal boundary stretching from the eastern Atlantic down toward north of Leeward Islands. Scattered activity in the MDR, a little bit of activity in the Caribbean, but just some scattered thunderstorms there, but nothing to write home about. More scattered thunderstorms down here across South America, Central America, the Eastern Pacific. A little tropical wave on the Eastern Pacific, may need to monitor. Could be something tropical, but right now should not be too much to worry about there. Low activity over Mexico, and this is where the big story is. An upper level low spinning right over here over Utah and also into portions of Nevada, kind of racing on and off toward the north and east. We got another little upper level low that's going to spin off the coast here and kind of drive down into Southern California and into Arizona and bring some more flooding to you guys over the next couple of days before the system continues to push on off to the east. And we're still expecting some severe weather possible from Texas over towards the Ohio and Tennessee River Valley coming up later on down the road. But right now the storm system is still getting organized, and the Storm Prediction Center has not issued any advisories yet for that yet, but we're still expecting it to happen. At what time, still unknown, but we will pin it down as soon as we get more information from the Storm Prediction Center. Alrighty, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Also like these videos, share these videos, and let's go ahead and get the show on the road here, folks. And thank you for tuning in to the Mike Bass Weather Forecast channel. And we'll continue as long as we can. And please help me get to 700 subscribers. If anybody out there can help me, I'd greatly appreciate it, so we can get on up there towards 1,000 subscribers. Alright, but anyway, we got snow flying over portions of Maine, mixed precipitation New Hampshire, Vermont, New York State, and portions of Pennsylvania. Also portions of Ohio to Michigan, to Wisconsin, Minnesota, through the Dakotas. More mixed precipitation in Montana down toward Colorado, Utah, to Nevada, to California, to Oregon, and Washington, Idaho regions as well. Thunderstorms and showers over here from Illinois to Kentucky to Tennessee to Missouri to Arkansas to Oklahoma, extreme northeast Texas. Then again from Arizona to southern Nevada to southern California. Some heavy rain and flash flooding in southern California region as well. More shower activity from Washington, Oregon, California to Arizona to Utah. More in Montana to Wyoming through South Dakota, through Nebraska, Iowa, also Illinois, Missouri, Indiana, Ohio, and also portions of Kentucky regions as well, and southern Wisconsin areas also. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Monday. Alright, let's move on to your Tuesday forecast now, and it should roll out something like this here. And we're still waiting on it here. Okay, we've got mixed precipitation from Pennsylvania to West Virginia to Ohio to Michigan to Wisconsin over to Minnesota and portion of Iowa. Then we've got a lot of mixed precipitation in Washington, Oregon, Idaho, Montana to Wyoming to Nevada, California, Utah to Colorado to New Mexico to Arizona. Shower activity from New Jersey to Delaware to D.C., Virginia over to Ohio to Indiana to Wisconsin to Iowa to Illinois. More shower activity along coastal areas of Washington, Oregon State. More activity across southern California, southern Nevada, southern Arizona, and southwestern New Mexico region as well. Thunderstorms and showers over Arizona. Also in the Texas to Oklahoma to Arkansas to Tennessee to Kentucky to Ohio to West Virginia, and western portions of Virginia State, as well as southern Illinois and central and southern Indiana regions also. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Tuesday. Alright, let's move on to the current watch and warn advisory map, your location across the nation. Alright, and we got a lot of winter weather advisories over here in California to Nevada to Utah to Colorado and also Wyoming. Got some high wind warnings there as well. Some dense fog advisory in Montana. Coast, and even got some flooded watches in effect for Central California. More not mixed precipitation, but more winter weather advisories up here in areas of Pennsylvania to New York State to Vermont, New Hampshire, also in a portion of northern Maine. Wind advisories there in southern New York State, central New York State as well, and portions of Pennsylvania, also portions of Connecticut and Massachusetts regions as well. Even got some areas of lake effect snow up here in portions of Pennsylvania regions as lake effect snow, over here in portions of Pennsylvania. Smoke rat advisory, gale warning from Maine all the way down to the North Carolina coast. Southern California to Washington State. Hawaii and Chain Island looks good. Southern and southwestern areas of Alaska, smoke rat advisory, gale warning. We have some blizzard warnings for southwestern Alaska. Western Alaska, we have some winter weather advisory, winter storm warning. In the coastal areas, we have some heavy freezing spray warnings there in effect. Alright, move on to the Storm Prediction Center. We just got general thunderstorms expected across portions of the board. You can see from Redding down to Fresno, and then again from Flagstaff to Phoenix to Tucson, and then again from Rapid City all the way to Little Rock to Bowling Green, Nashville, Shreveport, Pierre. Just general thunderstorms expected for your Monday. Alright, let's move on to Tuesday. We're going to show you the Tuesday outlook now. Just general thunderstorms over here from Flagstaff to Phoenix to Tucson, then from Fort Stockton to Austin to Waco, all the way over to Columbus, Ohio to Roanoke to Chattanooga, Atlanta, Birmingham, Jackson, Mississippi. Would not be surprised if could add a marginal risk here as well. Anywhere from Texas over towards Tennessee, Kentucky, Indiana, and Ohio regions, West Virginia, Western North Carolina. Anywhere in this area could be some severe weather, even over portions of Arizona also. Alright, if you're looking for warmer weather to stick around, you may enjoy this here 8 to 14 day temperature outlook from the Climate Prediction Center. As you can see, from Maine to Florida to Texas to portions of Wisconsin and Michigan, portion of Minnesota, got well above normal temperatures in the central and eastern U.S., near normal for the remainder of Minnesota through portions of Dakota, down in the portion of Arizona and southwestern Texas, and then we got below normal temps for central and western areas of Dakotas, all the way to areas of Arizona, back to California, to portions of Washington and Oregon State. Hawaii and Chain Island above normal temps, and much of Alaska above normal temp, below normal to the southeast, and extreme southeast and southeastern near normal. Alright, precipitation outlook. Much of the board looks above normal precipitation, except a little bit from near normal from Maine to the Outer Banks of North Carolina, the Grand Strand region of South Carolina, central and northern Florida, and then again from southwestern California, precipitation, and a little bit in northwestern Washington State, above normal temperature toward the Florida Keys and southern Florida also. Alright, above normal precipitation across all of Hawaii and Chain Island. Alaska looks like to the west, above normal. Central, near normal. To the east is below normal precipitation for you guys in Alaska. Alright, well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. Like these videos, share these videos. We'll catch you back in the next one. Have a wonderful Sunday evening, folks. Take care and also enjoy the weather, because the only weather you got.